Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the ChatGPT app from your iPhone or iOS device. So what you can do is find the ChatGPT application on your home screen. For me it's in the bottom left right here, and then what you can do is press and hold it until you get these options. And then the first one at the top, remove app in red text, press that and then confirm by pressing delete app. Press delete again, and that is going to delete the ChatGPT app from this iPhone or iOS device. But for the purpose of this video, what you can actually do is there's another way to delete an app from your iPhone or iOS device. Go to the settings, for me it's in the top of my home screen, and then scroll down to general, and then find iPhone storage, and then find the ChatGPT app from within here. So I've found it, guys. It's near the bottom of my applications list. ChatGPT is right here. Click in there, and then you'll find a delete app button in red text. Click that, and then there's a delete app confirmation button. You want to press that again, and that is going to remove ChatGPT from this device completely. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.